Are your orchids looking cramped in their pots or just not blooming like before? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to repot your orchid so it can thrive again. And trust me, you don't need to be an expert to do this. Hi everyone, this is Jules. Welcome back to the channel. And if you are new here, I share simple and fun plant care tips so you can enjoy a greener home. And today, we're doing something every orchid owner needs to learn, repotting made easy. Orchid needs repotting every 1 to 2 years because the old potting mix breaks down, roots get crowded, and the plants struggle to grow. Repotting gives fresh air to the roots and helps your orchid bloom beautifully again. What you need: a clear pot with drainage holes, fresh orchid bark or orchid mix, sterile scissors or pruners, and of course, your orchid. Step by step repotting. First, gently remove orchids from old pot. Then, shake off old potting mix. Next, trim any dead or mushy roots. And finally, place your orchids in a new pot and fill with fresh bark mix. Be gentle with the roots because they are the lifeline of your plant. Trim only the soft, brown, or rotten ones. Healthy roots are firm and green or silvery. Then simply nestle your orchid in the new pot and fill with fresh bark mix. No need to pack it too tight. Remember, orchids love airflow around their roots. Aftercare tips. After repotting, wait a few days before watering to let the roots settle. Place your orchid in a bright but direct light spot, and it will soon thank you with healthy growth and flowers. And that's it. Easy orchid repotting for beginners. If you found this helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and share this with fellow plant lover. Let me know in the comments what orchid tips you'd love to see next. This is Jules Share reminding you happy roots, happy blooms. Care for your orchids and they care for your soul. From my garden to yours, may your days always bloom beautifully. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. God bless.